Hello students, welcome to Sources classes, and this is JEE Advanced paper 2017 question paper I will be solving today. And the first question they have given is that which of the following is or are not the 3 into 3 matrix with real entries. So here, if the entries are real, the rule is for real entries. That means for real entries in square matrices, you have to be sure about one thing, and that is that this square cannot be negative. It can't be negative. So this is the main thing we have to remember. So now, while solving this structural formation of the matrix, how to incorporate that idea? Okay. Remember that in option number A and option number B, this you can directly see this determinant square cannot be negative. A and B option are not that structural formation, but you can see it from C here. It's an identity, and so identity square is also identity, so that is not a problem. And here in this case also it will happen. So remember that how to directly identify odd number of negatives in case of same entries. It has 3, it has 1, it has 2. So in that case, A and B is the answer to the question. Now we proceed to the next one. If a chord which is not a tangent, okay, so we are talking about a chord and tangent. Remember that tangency is structural formation is this. This is called the intersections form, and the intersection creates this kind of chord. So tan a chord which is not a tangent for the parabola y square equal to 16 is as the equation 2x plus y equal to p, and the midpoint is also given over here. Then we need to find a possible valuation structure for p, h and k. Okay, so now what we are given, y square equal to 16x, we are also given 2x plus y equal to p. Equation of the chord having midpoint hk is equation of the chord, and this midpoint is t equal to s1. So yk minus 8 into x plus h equal to k square minus 16h, or yk minus 8x equal to k square. This 8h will go here, that will make it 8h as a whole. So this is the second part gone. Comparing first, now I have to compare the first and second with the ratio. So this has 2k by 1, and this is minus 8, that has 2 plus 2 minus 8 by 2, and that is k square minus 8h, and that is here p. So simply we can see that k we can solve as minus 4 and k square minus 8h equal to minus 4p. Putting that value, so we will get 2h minus p equal to 4. And here we got an equation in the beginning, 2h minus p, maybe this is the third equation. And just by the solving the main equation with this, we can just get that h equal to 3 and p equal to 2, k we already got minus 4. So k minus 4 in two options, p equal to 2 with this, so D is the final answer in this case. Now we are proceeding to the next one. This time they have said let a be an x and y be real numbers such that a minus b equal to 1 and y not equal to 0, and the complex number z equal to x plus iy satisfies this structure. Okay, then which of the following are possible? So multiple options are can be correct. So here we are just putting the value of z, a x plus iy. Or so this will directly get us x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1. So obviously x will get us minus 1 plus minus root over 1 minus y square. So hence the final answer to the question is either A is there and D because of the plus minus structure. So A and D are the two possible answers. So this structural formation you need to apply. Next, let x and y be two events such that p of x equal to 1/3, p of x given y equal to 1/2, and probability of y by x, y given x is 2/5. Then we need to find which of them is correct. So we know that p of x given y is p of x intersection y. Whatever is in this means y has happened, what is the probability of x? So this goes down. And y given x is just the numerator is the same and the denominator is this. So whatever happened that goes down. So p of x given y is half and this is 2/3. So p of x given y, x intersection y, just after solving these two, we can say it comes to 2/15. Now p of y equal to 4/15 from this, and p of x union y will be 7/15. Utilizing the formula, p of x union y is px plus py minus p of x intersection y. So now taking the structures, p of x given y, x complement given y, that means p of x 1 minus p of x, so 1 minus half equal to half. Okay, so the first one comes directly. P of x intersection y is 1/5. The usual answer is 2/15. So this is not the correct answer. P of x union y is coming as 7/15. So this is also not correct. And the last one, p of y, is 4/15 coming from the structure. So that is correct. So A and D are the correct answer in this case. Next one. Let this sign is the sign of GIF. What is a GIF? For example, if I give like this 2.77, I take it as 2. 2.001, I take it as 2. So it is irrespective of whether it is more than 0.5 or not, we always take the greatest integer function. LIF is that, just the opposite. If it is 2.01, we will take the very next, that is 3. Okay, in case of negative, what will happen? 3.77. Okay, then we, in this case of GIF, we will take -2, the next higher number. Now as GIF is given, then which of the following points of the function f(x) equal to x plus pi into x plus GIF of x is discontinuous? Okay, now let's do this. X cos of pi x of -2 if we take here, or if we take plus structure, okay, fx x cos of pi x plus GIF of x. if this is the pattern they have given. Now remember that a continuous function is also differentiable, but a differentiable function is always continuous. Continuity may or may not lead to differentiability, but differentiability means it has to be continuous. So with respect to this pattern, so if we point it out for all the different points, so plus and minus in structure, we can see that for -1 is a possible point, okay, and then the second 0 is making it infinity, so discontinuous. 2 is a possible point, but x equal to pi 2 plus this pi is possible, and d is also a possible point. So here the answer is A, C, D. Next one is tangent to the parabola is directly given, then which of the following cannot be sides of a right angle triangle? So cannot be sides of a right angle triangle means sum of squares of 2 equal to the third. Okay, so let's do it. So tangent to x square by a square, y square by 16, so 4 square equal to 1. So the equation of this we know directly, plus minus square m square minus 16. We are comparing with 2x plus 1, we get m equal to 2, and the root over part if we compare, so 4a square minus 16 equal to 1, so a square equal to 17 by 4, a equal to root over 17 divided by 2. Okay, now if we just check it, then first combination is 2a, 4, 1. So if we just do it, 2a square, so 17 by 4 into 2, so 17 by 2, 8.5, 4 square plus 1 square. This is 17. Okay, next is, if we check 2a and 8 and 1 in the similar way, we can see that only this and a and 4 and 1, a and 4 and 2, we can see that only the 2a, 4, 1 are the sides of a right angle triangle, the other 3 are not. So cannot they have asked the question? So the answer is B, C, D.